teal. Let's go back to shading. I wish my screen was just like a little bit bigger so that I can show you guys what's going on. Let's see, let's take this down just a little bit. Right, so this one we're going to go new. We'll go pattern. I kind of want to do white patterns with a black mirror. That might actually look real cool. So yeah, I'm just going to move this across just on this side. Let's go to add. We need a texture. Let's see what Gabor texture does. Some of these I haven't actually worked with. So it kind of does the same as this, but you don't really get the stripes that much. Let's see, orientation. That is actually a pretty cool one if you wanted to do kind of a crunchy kind of metal. Tell you what, we'll work with that one on the next one. Let's go to add, we'll do texture. You've got wave texture, you've got magic texture. Yeah, I think it's the best thing to do with the software is just kind of experiment. I don't think that one's going to work for us. Let's go with noise. Noise texture right here. Go across, and we're going to distort. So we've got this nice kind of 80s kind of psychedelic thing going on. Let's shade this down. And it's kind of the same as this one at the bottom, but I kind of want to do a black and white theme. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do color ramp. Color ramp. Where are you at? Right, there we go. Color ramp. So now we've got black and white. I'm just going to tone this black up a little bit, and I'm going to tone this white up a little bit, so we've got this nice little contrast going on. Let's distort this a little further. Say just about here. Okay, so the metallic side of things, let's just turn that up. Just turn this brightness down. What I'm going to do, just go on full render. So we've got the white as being the most reflective here. So what I'm going to do, let's go and experiment a bit. So there you go. Put the colour ramp to the metallic rather than the base colour. Base colour is going to be white. And you want to make sure that these two really contrast. Just on the colour ramp right here. So now we've got this nice little mirror going on. With black. And then we've got the white underneath. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to place, let's go with, tone down that black a little bit. I'm just going to go ahead and just put this as a white, just to define that white a little bit more. Just at the back there. You could add a blue to this if you wanted, like a kind of blue tint. So that would be your kind of black and white addition.